Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description that will take you directly to the product page. We're gonna see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is a reverse osmosis countertop water machine. But what's really cool about this is it also will quickly heat up your water for you. So it's perfect for hot tea. It's perfect for baby formula, making oatmeal, all kinds of stuff. So this was sent over by a company called VonWater. Once you open it up, it's very easy to assemble. You just put all the pieces together. You are going to get some nice, clear instructions that are easy to follow about the machine. But we're going to cover a lot of those features right here in the video. Now, this particular model is the CT910. H, and the H stands for the hot. As you can see, it's nice and compact. Now, to give you an idea of the size that it's going to take up on your countertop, it's about 13 inches in depth. It's about 8¼ inches wide, and it's about 15½ inches in height. And it is a 7-stage RO filter. Each filter can do about 528 gallons before you have to replace it. So it will last for a long time. There is a little icon on the front that will just be white when it is just in its normal mode. When you start seeing it start to blink, that means the filter life is coming to an end. And then obviously when it is red, that means it's time to change out the filter. The filter basically lives in the top right here. This little piece comes off and then there is just a twist and remove out. Very, very easy to change. As far as how you're going to flush out the filter, once again, very easy. Just place that in there. Get yourself a big kind of jar. I like to get, just kind of like a 1 liter jar and just put it under here. And you're just going to drain the main back reservoir about 3 to 5 times. The back reservoir is very easy to utilize. There is another little lid on it. It does have a nice little handle, so it's easy to pick up and then move. Now, it will notify you. There will be a little icon here when it is time to change out the reservoir, because how reverse osmosis works is it sends water through the filters and then it removes out the bad contaminants and puts that back into the reservoir, and then to the point when the reservoir is empty again, then it's time to dispose of that water. Now, this particular filter itself has a nice ratio when it comes to the water wastage. It's a 3-to-1 pure to drain ratio, which is pretty awesome when it comes to that. The back reservoir itself is about 186 ounces. And then it does have, as you can see right here in the front, it has a nice pitcher, which is just sitting at room temperature, and that's about 41 ounces. So you can simply just pull this off. It has a nice little handle on it, and then it has a little pour bucket. So if you are needing a lot of water, it's really easy, nice to pour. It does fill from the bottom side and it drains from the bottom side. But you also have the on demand. So if you just want some water, you just simply press the button and it will turn on. And then if you want to stop it, you can just simply press the button again. However, it does have multiple presets as far as your volume size. And you see the little volume light. Just going to tap that and it'll go through the different settings. So the first setting is the 5 ounces. I always have it on 10 ounces because most of my glasses are 10 ounces. Then you have a 16 ounce and then you have a 25 ounce. But like I said, you can select your volume or you can just tap and stop it depending on whatever's easier for you as far as operating. And then goes to the heating element. So you're going to have 4 different heating kind of temperatures, if you will. You're going to have your milk kind of setting. So that's kind of for baby formula, which is going to heat up to about 110 degrees Fahrenheit. Then you're going to have kind of what they call your lemon. So that's going to be more your lighter teas, or if you just want like some nice hot water. And then that is going to be at about 149 degrees Fahrenheit. And these are also listed on here if you ever forget about them. Then over on the one side, and this is the one I use all the time, which is your tea setting. Your tea is going to be around 185 degrees in heat. And then you have your boil option. So if you ever need boiling water, it can do that at 198 degrees Fahrenheit. So how are you going to operate it? Very easy. easy to operate. You're just gonna select your option. So we're gonna go ahead and select the T. As you can see, it says the temperature, it says the ounces. You are gonna then tap the lock button to make sure it is unlocked. That's a safety feature, so that way you don't get any hot water on there. And then you're just gonna hit the button. You'll notice that a light will turn on. It's like a little orange light to kind of let you know it is doing the heating function. And then it's gonna start pouring out that hot water. It is super fast and very quick to heat up. It heats up within 3 seconds. So that's an awesome little feature as well. So you don't have to sit there and wait around. And you can see all the steam here coming along. And then when you stop it, you can wait for it to run out or you can manually stop it. You will also notice a light when it is running. It's gonna light up with a UV because that is kind of the last stage there. It has a UV light also built into this to help. And you'll notice it does drain from the side tank and then it will refill the tank. So you always have plenty of room temperature water to go. But overall, it's a really, really nice countertop reverse osmosis machine. You don't have to worry about cutting up into your countertop or have a bunch of messy equipment underneath your sink. It's all built in right here into this nice little compact device. The only thing is, if you're not going to utilize it for several weeks, go ahead and drain it out so that way you don't have water sitting in the tank in the lines. And if you're gone for maybe a week, then you just always want to just reflush it just to make sure it's all nice and clean and ready to go. But overall, if you are looking for a great reverse osmosis machine that in particular can also heat up your water, I think this one is totally worth checking out. If there is something that I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.